the pure magic of model drawing. My favorite part of 25 years of fashion designing and teaching fashion illustration and design. The expressions of the human figure. Doesn't matter if it's on an iPad like what you're seeing here, or if it's on paper. Model drawing, model magic course, which is opening right now, is a course where we get to the core of what you see happening here in these images. We get to how to get figures that are standing up with fluid dynamics. Not about all the details, not as much as getting into our own sense of movement and energy. The lights and the darks, the shadows, the action, the emotion, the music, the feeling, starting soft, starting general, sweeping motions and movements that then become more articulated into line and detail. Model Magic is a course. It's 4 months, which turns out to be 16 modules. So every week you'll get a brand new module that explores a different exercise, that changes the way you draw, changes the way you see your art supplies, basic art supplies, changes the way you see yourself, and busts myths about how art happens, what art is, how we look at ourselves when we create. So whether for design or for art itself, fashion is an art. Model Magic is a class. It's about diving deeper into yourself and changing your perceptions, changing the ways you see, changing the ways you move, and bringing you into a dreamy, playful, adventurous state. Because when we create from a place like that, that's where we make discoveries that are beautiful, that are loose, that are imaginative, that are surprising and unexpected. And over 4 months, it will be a time for our community, class community, to grow together. You get to work with me over such a long time period that you'll keep developing. It's not going to be like you'll have lifetime access, but for 4 months you'll get the encouragement, the support. With each new exercise, you'll have a whole week to play with the new technique, play with a new art supply, play with a new form of exploring the figure, and watch your style emerge. Watch your creativity reawaken. Feel yourself get energized. There's music built into the model drawing videos that are in there that are full of model poses for you to sketch from. It's a container I've created to watch you flourish, to give you time and space to flourish, and to give you safe space to experiment with soft effects, with surprises, with open-ended expectations, to dismantle the fear that freezes you and keeps your work feeling more stiff or restricted. This is a course about transformation, because model drawing is the foundation of these exciting images that we can create. And I can't wait to have you join me for this experience. Model Magic online course. I'm Laura Volpintesta, and I'll see you. We start on the 21st of August, and we're going to have such a good time.